We'll go around this side. Same thing the other side. Now I'll go underneath a little bit more. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Natria Neem oil. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. It's just a simple green spray bottle. So I ended up buying this particular product because I'm looking for something to kill some flies that are infesting my aloe vera plants. So you can see right here on the front, controls aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. On the back, we can learn that it's great for household plants and your home garden. Roses, flowers, houseplants, trees, shrubs, fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So here we go. You can see I have two of my aloe vera plants that we're gonna apply the neem oil to. On the tip of my finger, you might be able to see with that overhead camera, I have two of the flies already killed and I see more of them on the plant. So I just smushed them with my finger. But there you go, you can get a feel for the flies that I'm trying to treat with our neem oil. Other than that, I'm not expecting fungicide or anything else to work because I don't think they have any of those issues right now, but that would be an added bonus that it might help prevent that and keep that at bay for us. So now let's go ahead, let's spray our plants. So per the instructions, shake really well and then we'll start spraying. And we want to make sure that we get everything here. So we have a little bit of a wider spray. So let's go ahead, let's just spray all the sides of our plant. Make sure that we're really treating it. I'm going to get the soil as well too. Come out here, we'll go around this side, same thing the other side. Now I'll go underneath a little bit more. But there we go. We just applied some treatment. Let's do the same thing with the other plant. Let's spray it top down, all around, making sure we get everything that we can and the soil. So there we go. We just treated two of our aloe vera plants. Now let's give it a couple of days, come back and see if all the flies are gone. So now you might be wondering, well, hey, how often do you apply the spray? They recommend between 7 and 14 days. So we're gonna come back in 7 days, check for flies. If we don't have any, we're gonna spray them one more time for good measure. And hopefully that kills any larvae or anything else along those lines. And then we'll treat as needed. So it's been 7 days since I applied my first application on my plants. Let me share with you guys my findings so far. First, after more research, I believe I have a fungus gnat issue, so I can't speak to how effective this product is to all the other insects that it's able to kill. So in regards to my particular situation, let me share with you what I found. So after 5 days, I came back to the plants and there were about 10 of those flies flying around that I was able to kill. So not the best sign to see any of them still attracted to the plants. I was thinking if nothing else, they just wouldn't want to come back, but that wasn't the case. They were all over all of my aloe vera plants. So I killed them all. Then I came back 2 days later today and I found one remaining gnat. So I'm not sure really how effective this is versus me just killing them all myself. But maybe, just maybe, I'm hoping that it saturated the soil and it's going to kill if there's any eggs or larvae or anything along those lines. But if you have a fungus gnat issue, which is what I believe I have, this doesn't appear to be super effective. But just in case, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to give it another application and we'll see how it does and come back and check on it in another week. So it's been an additional 12 days. Let me share with you guys my findings. So the good news is the flies have drastically reduced. The bad news is I can't necessarily say it's because of this particular spray. I think it has to do with me actually killing them every time I went to apply this spray. So today I tested out a couple things. There were 2 flies on the plants. I went ahead, I killed one. The second one got really wet with this, fell down to the table, and it stayed in a puddle of this spray. I came back a half an hour later and the fly was gone. So this definitely doesn't kill on contact for fungus gnats or anything like that that I'm dealing with my aloe vera plants. But with that being said, I like to think it has helped eliminate the solution. It might just take a couple more applications and maybe they'll be gone forever, but we're down drastically from our heyday of 10, 20, whatever the flies were. Now we continue to wind down, but it's also been almost 4 weeks from start to finish. So with that being said, if you have those fungus gnats like I do, this isn't going to be the end-all be-all solution. But at the end of the day, it could help depending on what insects or issues you're having with your plants. And the good news is this hasn't harmed my plants at all, and we've done multiple applications. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.